Hi guys, my name is Grace and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be sharing with you how I created this makeup look. There you go. It's very easy. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start. I already primed my face and I use this NYX Studio Perfect Photo Labbing Primer. So this is what it looks like. And let's move on to foundation. So the foundation that I'm going to use today is this one. This is the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. And I am in a shade Sun Beige. So this is what it looks like. I will be using 2 pumps. And then I'm going to blend my foundation using this brush. This is the LA Girl. I think this is the buffing brush and it has a number. This is the 108 brush. I love this brush, guys. It's really good. The products doesn't really stick on the bristle. It's just really nice brush and it's really soft and it blends your foundation really well. There you go, guys. That's the foundation done. Then next, for my concealer, I will be using my L'Oreal True Match, Perfect Match concealer, and this is in a shade 6D/W. This is in a shade Gold Honey as well. So it has a number and a name. So I'm just going to apply this on the center. Just going to apply it on the center of my face. Like this. A little bit on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and here as well. I'm just going to use the same brush to blend this concealer. I'm also going to blend this on my eyelid, guys, because I'm not gonna use eyeshadow primer today, so I'm just using a concealer. So I'm just blending it on my eyelid as well. It's really easy to blend this concealer. There you go, guys. That's our base done. So let's set it with powder. So what I'm going to do is just set my concealer using this powder. This is the AIRSPUN Loose face powder and this is in the shade Translucent Extra Coverage. So I'm just going to set my concealer using this powder. This powder, guys, it has a really strong smell. So if you don't like the very, like a perfume smell for your makeup, then I don't recommend you should use this. Okay, so next I'm going to set the rest of my face. I will be using a separate powder. This is a pressed powder, L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Perfecting Powder, and this is in a shade 6W Honey. So I'm just going to set the rest of my face using this powder. So next I'm going to do my eyebrow off camera and I'll be back. There you go, guys. My eyebrows are done. So next I'm going to do my eyeshadows now. So for the palette that I'm going to use today is this one. This is from Makeup Revolution and this is the Reloaded Iconic Fever. So this is what it looks like. So it's very warm, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just taking this shade first and warm up my crease just to give it a good transition, So next I'm going in with this shade right here and just apply it on top of my transition shade. Wow, it's very warm, this shade. Oh my god. Alright, so next I'm going to take this one right here and just concentrate on my outer V. Like that. This palette is really pigmented, but it has a lot of kickback on the pan, as you can see. So just be careful when you use this palette. actually really affordable as well. I think all the Makeup Revolution products is really affordable. I think it's only like £4 for these palettes. It's really affordable. Okay, so I'm just grabbing a blending brush and just blend the edges. It's really pigmented, oh my god, I can't. Alright, so next I'm going to take this shade, just like putting it on my eyelids. So let's try this. So I'm just putting it in here and see what it's like. Alright, so next I'm going to grab this shade down here and just put it on my lower lash line. So next I'm just going to use this black eyeliner and just apply it on my waterline. And then I'm going back with this palette. I will be using this shade right here, this one, and just apply it on my inner corner, and maybe I will apply it as well on my brow bone. So let's have a look, see what it's like. So really nice color. So I'm just going to apply this on my brow bone as well. I'm just going to apply more on this inner corner because why not? Okay, so next I'm just going to do a small wing using a black gel liner. This is from Maybelline and this is the Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. So I'm just going to create a small wing. This is the first time I'm going to use this gel liner and it's really creamy. There you go, guys. So next I'm going to apply my false lashes off camera and I'll be back. There you go, guys, my lashes are up. So next I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes as well. For that I will be using this L'Oreal False Lash Sculpt Mascara. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so next I'm going to apply bronzer. So I will be using this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and this is in the shade Deep Bronzer. So I'm just gonna bronze my face. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my forehead as well, just to give a little bit of color. And then also on a little bit on my jawline. And I'm also going to contour my nose using this bronzer. So let's try this. Just a little bit. It's a bit too warm for nose contour, but that's fine. So next I'm going to apply some blush. I will be using my ZOEVA Coral Spectrum blush palette. So this is what it looks like. And when you open it up, there you go, there's the blush. I will be using this one. I'm going to apply a little bit because it looks like really pink. Up the excess and just sweep it a little bit on my face. Like that. This palette is really pigmented, so you have to be very careful when you use this blush palette. So for the highlights today, guys, I will be using this Revolution in collaboration with SOPH. So this is her palette. This is what it looks like. So I'll be using this one right here. This is my favorite highlight brush. This is the Morphe M501. So I'm just going to apply. Wow, this has like a pink undertone, this shade. Oh, that's alright. Let's make it work. Wow, this is really pigmented. I love this palette. Look at that. Look at that highlight, guys. How pigmented is that? How stunning is that? So I'm just going to apply a little bit on my nose bridge. It's like that. I love this palette. Look at that. It's so nice. Alright, so lastly, let's apply some liquid lipstick. I will be using this COLOURPOP Ultra Satin Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Frick and Frack. So let's apply this. Alright, so I'm just going to finalize this look and I'll be back. Hi guys, I am back. So this is the final look. There you go. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also all the products that I use will be in the description box below. You can always check that out. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye!